You got 10 minutes? Let's learn Korean. Welcome to another video at KSTYLEYO. My name is Inyoung. If you want to learn Korean language and culture, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so that you don't miss anything. So today I'm gonna show you how to read and write and have fun learning this alphabet with BTS song. That's right. But first, I'd like to shout out one person from the last video's comments, Kenny Minefield. Thank you so much for your support. I wish you all the best for learning Korean language. If you also want your comment to be featured in the future videos, all you have to do is just comment down below because I'm gonna pick one person to shout out for each video. So we have Korean alphabet, 19 consonants and 21 vowels. The reason why we have so many vowels is that we have an individual vowel for each distinctive sound. So first, it may be a little overwhelming to understand all the vowels at first, but here is the good news. If you know all the vowels, you can pretty much read any Korean words, even if you don't know what it means. And in order to read consonant and vowels as a syllable, you need to understand vowels first. So there are 21 vowels. The basic one first. A, ya, o, yo, o, yo, u, 유, 으, 이. You can pretty much extend another 11 vowels just from the first line of vowels that I just showed you. So you're gonna combine this vowel to every vowel except for this one, this one. Okay? 에, 예, 에, 예, 왜, 위, 의. So far we have 17 vowels. We're gonna add 4 more vowels. You just need to remember them. 왜, 워, 와. So now that we know how to pronounce each individual vowel, but I'm gonna show you what are the vowels that have very similar sounds. It's the very subtle distinctive that if you think of it as marry and married, Merry Christmas or marry somebody. That is that subtle difference. So let's just think that these vowels have actually the same sounds. Even for Korean people, when we're having conversation, we wouldn't probably know unless we know the meaning based on the context. So I'm gonna use highlighters to give color codes. 에. Basically the same sound. 에, 예, 왜, all the same sounds. 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이. 에, 예, 왜, 위, 의. 왜, 워, 와. From my teaching experience, I found that one of the most challenging vowels out of everything is 으. Because you have to consciously stretch your lips to make this sound. You don't want to say you want to say 으. So now that we learned all these vowels, I'm gonna pick one simple one, which is a, to learn consonant letters. So we have 19 consonants in our Korean alphabet, 14 basic, 5 is double consonants. 가, 나, 다, 라, 마, 바, 사, 아, 자, 차, 가, 타, 파, 하. Generally, Korean consonants is pronounced a little more strongly than English letters, even though I associated these Korean letters into English letters. Just keep that in mind that Korean consonants may be pronounced a little more strongly than English consonants. So you may wonder, what is R or L in Korean? We just have one letter in Korean alphabet. It could be either R or L, or actually it could be neither, because we don't really have those sounds. You don't roll your tongue like R. You don't say like L. Nobody does that. So you just need to relax your tongue when you say la. And this letter, it could be silent or it could be NG sound. In order for you to really understand this, I need to teach you syllable formats. So there are 6 syllable formats, and every format starts with consonant. The first one is consonant and vowel. Second one, consonant, vowel, and consonant. And the third one, consonant, vowel. Vowel goes on the bottom. Fourth one, consonant, vowel, another consonant below. And consonant, this time vowel goes to the bottom and then the side. So this is combination of different vowels. And then the last one, consonant, vowel, the same vowel which is bottom and the side, and another consonants below. Where is one of the examples that has bottom and side as a combination. And this consonant, when it's used before vowel, this is silent. When it's used after a vowel, that becomes NG sound. For double consonants, you can think of them as more traction. If you say ka, you're gonna have traction in your throat. Ka. Ta, you're gonna have traction between your tongue and the roof of your mouth. Pa, between your lips. Sa, between your teeth. Ja, between your teeth. So it's a little stronger as in traction, more stronger traction when you make that sound. Ka, ta, pa, sa, ja. So let's practice reading these consonants with a vowel. Ka, na, ta, la, ma, pa, sa, a, ja, cha, ka, ta, pa, ha. Ka, ta, pa, sa, ja. I'm gonna pick out a few consonants that have very similar sounds here. Ka, ka, ka. Ta, ta, ta. Pa, pa, pa. Sa, sa. Cha, cha. Ja. Hopefully this will clear out some of the confusion. Like I promised you earlier, let's sing this alphabet. 가나다라마바 사아자자카타파 하! 가나다라마바 사아자자카타파 하! Hopefully you enjoyed this video today. If you did, make sure to give it a like, share this video with your friends and family who want to learn Hangul. If you have any questions, comment down below and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye!